Hi, I'm Deborah from Deborah Law Interiors, and we've got something free for you this month. A lot of our work is helping clients have a design-led build or renovation project. From getting the interior layouts right, according to the way you want to live, working alongside the architectural process, to deciding key interior features, interior architecture, getting the lighting and the power plans right for exactly how we decide to do the layout of the interior furniture and so forth. We know early decisions can make a big impact. And just a couple of weeks ago, we were asked to speak on property design at a home build and renovation show. So what we're offering to you is to book a free meeting with us and let's see how we can help. 25th of February is going to be our Ascot Design Day. We'll have 6 meeting slots throughout the day and evening where you can bring details of your project and at no charge come and discuss them with us. So you may have photographs of your property and just ideas of what you'd like to do. You may have fully fledged architect's plans you'd like us to go through. Or you may just want to have a chat about the best way to even start approaching a renovation or a build project. We know that large and potentially complex builds can be really daunting. You've probably not done this before. You probably lead very busy lives and you're concerned about who to talk to and what to decide on. So tap into our expertise and come and have a chat and let's see how we can help you. So there's a link below that'll take you to a page on our website, which you'll find some more information. And then if you'd like to meet up with us, then click on that and that'll take you to the booking area. So thanks for listening and hope we can be of help. Take care.